can see the screen clearly, you can just type S again. So I already explained this. We are going to talk about dangers and symptoms and pain areas. We will do the polymind therapy today. Our culture in this program is to start on time. 10:44 is the login time. 30 minutes of focus I need. The classes are longer, but the daily actual therapy will take you 30 minutes and no more, literally. So utna aapko shakti rakhna hai. You have to keep that much motivation and consistency. Consistency means if it needs to be done every day, then it's every day. If you're traveling from Amritsar to Delhi for a meeting, you will carry your oil, you will still do your, kriyas like the polymind therapy, the yoga. Okay, can't do it in the morning, do it in the afternoon, evening, but you will not miss. So I need people who are of this category. No lallus, sissies and weaklings. They will not survive and they may live till they develop that strength for 6 months or 6 years. It's really up to them. I can give you the path for clearance, but you have to do it because even your doctor, I will be taking this OPD session for you for 2 hours. That is how much time your doctor spent with you in the whole year, split into 15 minutes. And I will not talk of any side issues here. It is totally on the subject. Second point is no time, no money, no effort, then just forget it. You cannot expect change. This is not a charity class. I will start charity class or treatment, a 15,000 rupee treatment for 1,500 rupees in January for below poverty line people. Just pay the tax and get your treatment. So this is treatment for middle class and upper middle class people who are affordable people who are spending, 30, 40, 50,000 rupees on allopathic or Ayurvedic or have done everything and spent a lot of money. I'm saying you spend one-time money and in 60 to 90 days, exit this issue for a lifetime. No more cysts on the ovaries, hormones balanced, ovaries normal size. And dire dire, all the other effects like hirsutism, weight, hair fall will start diminishing. They will get arrested and they will be diminished. So those who have acne, the acne will stop. Slowly, your skin will heal. And after 3-4 months, you will see you have only normal skin. So please expect that because that's what I want to, that's where we can reach. So participation is all about talking and using chat box, which you all have started, which is good. Notice this blue box. Wherever there's blue box means that's a question for chat box. Okay. So we will use it here. The success philosophy here we're talking about is basically that learning, which you will do today, participating, which is like chat box or talking, doing it, polymind therapy, you will learn, you will participate, and you will do it today right here with me. And then sharing with this community, be part of the Treat PCOS community in Facebook, share good things, experiences, problems related to PCOS. I don't want any, sometimes people are coming and posting some, astrology classes and all. I ban those people. I only want PCOS solution, or what is the solution for this kind of situation there, or recipes or diets or, yoga videos, but focused on PCOS. So sharing, please remember, sharing is very, very important. Our whole life is governed on duality. Everything is in twos, comes in pairs. If there is night, there is day. If there is darkness, there is light. If there is sickness, there is health. So if I'm PCOS, I can be non-PCOS. Believe it, it will happen. Because that's the way the world runs. If there's life, there is death. We have death, and from one follicle and one chromosome, one sperm, you can create life, literally at cellular level. So there is a magic in this whole world. We have to just believe it and recognize it. This is alternate therapies. We are not trying to replace the gynecologist or the GP or Max Hospital or, Apollo Clinic. They are all good in their own space. We are talking about alternate therapies, which you're going to do with learning and your own choice. Okay, so you should be aware of this. And the fourth is oil application, which is the safest kind of therapy in any medical therapies, because you're not eating it. आप खाओ तो उसके reactions in your digestive system, then it will go into your bloodstream. Can your liver handle it? There's so many complications there, and a lot of testing needs to be done. But when you're just applying oil, surface oil, just the only risk is is it itching me or is it giving me irritation, which is all tested. So it is the most safe therapies. Secondly, we have a zero chemical product. It is all, plant based extract, completely natural. Now you're attached to this program. Start believing, even if it is a lie, believe it. 2 short visuals for you. Now, one visual is about a kite and another about a tree. You have to decide who you are. You want to be a kite or you want to be a tree. After seeing this, you will type in the chat box, I am a kite or I am a tree. Short and cannot place in trees. Look at the way how freely the kite, freedom, going to the sky, swaying, how happy it looks. And then here is a coconut tree, tall and majestic. Sometimes it is, teda meda in different directions. So now please type in the chat box your choice. You can type tree or coconut tree and kite. What do you want to be after your treatment is over? So Shreya says kite. I think Gunja and the other folks were there yesterday. I don't know if you saw this part. Fatafat, make it quick, because then I can cover more information for you in the given time. So Chaitli says kite also. Okay. Yes, we want to soar in the sky and have freedom in our life. It's a choice. And Gunja, Okay. So here's the thing. It's not exactly a trick question, but just think about it. The kite is definitely going up in the sky and has freedom, but it is tied to a very thin thread, and that thread can break. So if I am the kite, I might have freedom, but then when it breaks, I may go and get stuck in a tree or in the wires, and then no one is saving me. And I might tear, it may rain. Now you look at the tree again. The tree is solid. As much as the tree you can see on the top, we can see the tree in the bottom. Look at the roots, how rooted it is. It is rooted to the ground. Those people who are grounded, हवा में नहीं है, grounded है, they can survive. They have the strength to take all the pressures of life. The tree has resilience. You know, we had 2 cyclones recently, and did NDTV or India Today report कि 10 लाख पेड़ गिर गए साइक्लोन में. घर उड़ सकते हैं, आदमी उड़ सकते हैं, पर कोस्टल कोकोनट ट्री गिरता नहीं है. It is there as solid as ever. And the other thing is, it's tall. It's tall. So the tall tree is very interesting. It's a producing tree. It produces. Every woman should have the option of being a producing woman if the situation and the desire is there. So coconut tree has that ability. And then look at all the leaves. Everything in the tree can have a benefit, you know. So now after hearing this, how many people want to be kite and how many want to be coconut tree? If you think you're good for coconut tree, you say, I am a coconut tree. Those who want to be healthy and fine need to be as strong as a coconut tree. So you make the affirmation, yes, I am a coconut tree, believe it, and stick this image in your head. Every time you feel, you know, low, or in all good times also, just think, I'm as strong, as resilient as a coconut tree. So Shreya has made the commitment, Chaitli is making a commitment, Gunja wants to be a tree. So don't say I want to be, just say, affirmations are a funny thing. We have to say lies, but good lies, you know, nice lies we'd say. So your sentence should be, I am a coconut tree. Believe it. When you say this 10, 20, 50 times for 5-10 days, then you will start becoming like a coconut tree. Yes, yes, very nice. And Radhika also, chalo, good. I was just thinking, where are you? It's like, you have a question, you have raised your hand, Radhika. Or if it's accidental, there's no problem. So I will continue now to the next piece. Okay, here's some fun. Let's see how the film stars handle PCOS condition.
PCOS is a common hormonal disorder among women. In fact, 1 in 5 women are known to have this disorder. The symptoms of PCOS include irregular or scanty periods, putting on weight, facial hair, and higher chances of infertility. Here are Bollywood celebrities who have battled PCOS. Sara Ali Khan. She revealed on Coffee with Karan about her battle with the disorder and how she had weighed 96 kilos when she was in college. Sara Ali Khan says that she still has PCOS, but she has changed her diet and has turned to workouts to keep her body shapely and fit.
So this is another way of knocking out your PCOS. So what happens in case of the film stars? So they have a, this is a third generation film star, starting with Sharmila Tagore and then Saif and, both the mothers of stepmother and now this generation. So 96 kilos, okay. 1 year of fight and she's like size 0, 55 kilos. You can see she's got no fat on her now. So she, with power exercise and with a very controlled diet, once you start your self-treatment, like those who are doing 1.5 hours of exercise every day, it is self-committed treatment. Rajiv requires you to spend only 30 minutes a day. So those who can spend 30 minutes a day for 60 to 90 days need to stay in the class and need to come on Monday. If you cannot spend 30 minutes a day, come back after 6 months. Rajiv is here. Come back after 1 year and 6 months. Rajiv is still here. Okay, so we are going to go very quickly into the symptoms, and then we will do polyamine therapy. And last May, I will do the risks of this program, meaning unfortunate PCOS. So this is the summary, incomplete summary of PCOS symptoms: hair loss, hirsutism, ovarian cyst, difficulty in managing weight or increasing weight, acne, irregular period, trouble conceiving, high testosterone levels. This is the partial list. 7-8 years back, this was called PCOD, polycystic ovarian disease. But then science realized that it's not just about cyst on the ovary, but all these things and more. So they renamed this to PCOS, not disease, but syndrome, irregular periods. So all those who have irregular periods may type IP in the chat box, and you have to be very quick because otherwise I can't cover everything. So if you notice a symptom, just take the code and type it fatafat, and see, you will realize that you're not alone in this world. Now Gunja, Shriya, Radhika, Chaitli, all are having IP, and Parul is having IP with heavy flow. So somebody may have heavy flow, somebody may just get spotting. Both spectrums are there. You're not alone, and obviously if your menstruation regularizes, this problem will go away. Then there are other people who have no periods, amenorrhea, no menses. No menses means 9 months, no menses, 12 months, no menses. So this is a different issue altogether. Hair loss, male pattern balding. Now this is a looks issue. It creates, psychological impact. No girl wants to lose hair. And then you don't know what to do. And it's not hidden in the top, it's in the front, like, like boys have. Then facial hair or body hair. Chalo, body hair, we can manage. We are, wearing our clothes. But facial hair, again, pain area. Then comes the invisible pain areas. Now I want you to think of this carefully. You can see every human has 2 ovaries, girls, the ladies. This is a polycystic ovary, which means the ovary has these little, boils or podas. Actually, they're follicles, which after some time they become cystic follicles. So follicle is like the seed, the beads from which the egg becomes big, because it gets the right hormones. When it doesn't get the right hormones, it stays small. It never becomes the egg. That's why the periods are missing. Several crore people are still suffering on this. Managing weight, purely a hormonal issue. You can do 1.5 hours of exercise and manage your weight. Please bring it down to half an hour like normal human beings and have normal food and see how your weight increases again. So only if you're a Sara Ali Khan, you can manage weight and your PCOS. But if you get rid of your PCOS, in half an hour's exercise and managing your diet, you will manage your weight. Sometimes in the month, oh, I can't wake up. I feel so. आज ऑफिस नहीं जाते यार, मन ही नहीं कर रहा है, खाना बनाने का ही मन नहीं कर रहा है, कैसे करूं, बॉडी हिल ही नहीं रही है, एंजाइटी, क्या होगा, बेबी कैसे होगा, ठीक कब होंगे, हाउ विल आई बी फाइन. So anybody who's having any of these issues, my summary of that is called mood swings. Mood swings means any of these issues. Final point is pain area is skin patches. So people have skin patches here, and you may have thought like you would have never connected skin patches to PCOS, but this is very typical skin patch and can happen around the neck. This is below the arms and other parts of the body also. So first thing is you will continue hearing like you're hearing my voice now. Deep breaths, take 3-4 deep breaths as I'm talking to you. Deep breath means long deep breath in and deep breath out. Okay, so I'm starting the meditation. Please follow. Keep your eyes closed. Sit still. Take deep breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out through the mouth. Long deep breaths. You're calming. You're getting into a very calm space. Whatever pressures are there in life, in the next minutes, everything is going to melt away. Life is good. I know life is good, and I'm going to feel it, really feeling good in the next few minutes. This is going to be a wonderful session for me. I'm going to be relaxed. I can't even spell the word stress after this session. Welcome to Base Prakash Kriya. Let's do Om chanting 3 times. Put on your headphones. Listen to the section with closed cupped headphones. Take a long deep breath. Focus on your breath in this 10 minutes. Keep breathing long and keep only one thought in your mind. Again and again, say it. I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, and I'm happy. I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, and I'm happy. Let us see what Apollo Hospital says about this problem. So everybody knows Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital is a chain of like nearly 70 hospitals. It's one of the biggest chains of hospitals. And Apollo Sugar Clinic has a Center for Excellence in Diabetes and Endocrinology. So what has all this got to do with us as PCOS? Well, the thing is, PCOS is an endocrine disorder, and this is Center for Excellence of Diabetes and Endocrinology. So we come under that department of endocrine disorders. Untreated polycystic ovarian syndrome may have life-threatening illnesses. Did you know this? Did anybody warn you about this? Then you say yes, otherwise say no idea. That polycystic ovarian syndrome, if left untreated, can have serious life-threatening, issues. So let us see what they say in this little film.
Endocrine glands. Ovaries. A pair of ovaries lie in the abdomen in females. They secrete 3 female hormones. 1. Estrogen, that stimulates the formation of ova in the ovary and development. 2. Progesterone, that stimulates the thickening of uterine epithelium during menstrual cycle and maintain the pregnancy by suspending ovulation.
PCOS is diagnosed when at least 2 of the following symptoms are present: irregular periods due to missed ovulation, excess male hormone androgen as evidenced by lab test or physical signs such as excess facial and body hair, severe acne, and baldness. Presence of numerous small fluid-filled cysts in the ovaries, which can be seen as dark circles on an ultrasound image. This is the symptom that originally gave the condition its name, but is not always present in PCOS patients. Differences in a number of hormones.
So we are dealing with a disease which has been wrongly named. Polycystic ovary is one symptom out of the 10, but the name has been based on this. So it creates some confusion there. And like we had already all reported, though I have polycystic ovary, my doctor has never actually given me treatment for polycystic ovary. Yeah, I will help you remove the polycyst on your ovary or the cyst on your ovary. And the closest you'll come to treatment of that is ovarian drilling, which is a surgical procedure. So some people who are, some of the ladies definitely want to conceive and they may go through that kind of process. But with period square therapy, you need not do that. First, go through this. If we cannot handle it or it does not work, then of course surgery is your option. But our confidence is that it's going to work for you. So you won't need to look at that option. So it should have actually been named as, female or male hormone syndrome or something like that, because the issue is the root cause is hormonal imbalance or hormonal imbalance syndrome or female hormonal imbalance syndrome would be a correct name. But once you're being called Bablu, then even your office people call you Bablu. What can you do?
PCOS patients. Differences in a number of hormones are thought to be responsible. PCOS patients usually have excess luteinizing hormone, LH, together with a relatively low level of follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, and increased levels of insulin.
See, now when you have less amount of follicle stimulating hormone, your follicle is not able to become an egg. That is the problem. That's why you're having irregular period. And the moment insulin is going up, insulin is driving the male hormone in the female body, which means higher insulin level is driving the testosterone levels in your body. So to answer your question here, Chaitli, about stopping of facial hair, if your insulin levels or hormone levels are balanced or managed, then your testosterone levels are going to get managed. And if your testosterone levels get into the right, quantity, which is androgen, they will be calling it, then facial hair, body hair, male pattern balding, and acne, 4 of these issues will get controlled. So opportunity is 100% there, because I'm going to give you a technique. The period square will balance hormones, and also it will work on the cyst curing.
PCOS patients, FSH deficiency results in arrest of follicular maturation. The follicles stop halfway through their development and become cysts. Impaired follicular development means no mature egg produced or released, hence the absence of ovulation. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas and is necessary for consumption of blood glucose by the body's cells. Increased insulin level in PCOS patients is a result of the body compensatory response to insulin resistance associated with PCOS. Excess insulin, together with high levels of luteinizing hormone, induce and maintain overproduction of androgen by the ovaries.
That's it. This is exactly I was saying. So excess insulin, excess luteinizing hormone is driving androgen, which is the male hormone. So having hair on the face is the boys have, and male pattern balding is a boy's issue. So the hormone is driving it. Now everything here is hidden. The PCOS lady is alone in her home. Is there anybody on this group who says, oh, my sister who lives in my house or my mother and I both have PCOS? And obviously your husband and you can't both have PCOS. So PCOS is a very lonely battle. Can everybody report to me if there is more than one person in your physical home who's having PCOS? If you're alone, then you write 1. Just type the number 1. So when you're alone, you need that 1.5 hour exercise kind of, motivation. Plus you need a coach like me to walk you through all the steps so that you can get out of this problem. You need another friend who also wants to win. So Period Square has what I call as a accountability partner system. 2 women are paired up. Maybe one is from Amritsar and the other one is from Guwahati, but they connect on WhatsApp and on the phone, and they follow accountability with each other. Did you do your yoga? Did you do your meditation? How many times did you put the oil? Like that, so that you don't miss, and you guarantee your path to success in 60 days to 90 days. Everybody likes that idea? If you like the idea, you have to say AP, accountability partner. तो ये बहुत comprehensive program है. This is not a Dr. G program that you go there, I will write something and you have to do it. No, it is like when somebody in our home goes to the hospital and I am the support staff or the support person, then I have to be very caring. I have to support the nurse and the doctor, give them feedback, because they're not sitting there 24/7. So I built the system around that. It's not just, that one has to buy the oil. No, it is all kinds of learning around it and execution protected by, like an AP system. So 4 things happen. Metabolic complications, I will take 2 only. High levels of insulin are driving the fat. So everybody who is facing fat increase, and if you're trying to control it, you have to do it the Sara Ali Khan way with 1.5 hours of exercise, because you have to manage this whole thing. Coronary heart diseases. So high cholesterol is not unusual. It is quite normal for PCOS patients. So if you have high cholesterol, you can have heart disease or strokes. Okay, here's a research on that. 70% of women have abnormal cholesterol. PCOS women we're talking here. Okay, go red for PCOS, she's saying. And that means 7 times more higher risk for heart disease, 4 times more higher risk for strokes, gynecological dangers or diseases, irregular period, lack of ovulation, infertility. ये तो हो ही रहा है, it is happening. But if you ignore the cysts, you are heading for ovarian cancers. Now this is not a good thing at all. Endometrial cancer, those people who are thinking that, I'm getting pregnant because of, I could manage it, then you are managing, you're living in risk, because your endometrium, which has to hold the baby, is getting weak because of the wrong hormones or lack of hormones. So you delivered the egg there, you got impregnated, and the baby is forming, but you can't hold the, baby. So this is an issue. Then these are all symptoms, you can find them in various places: weight gain, bloating, abdominal pain, tiredness, trouble eating. These are all symptoms of ovarian cancer. Upset stomach, urinary changes, change in menstrual cycle. Many of these we are facing already. Here it is summarized. Now, these are common to PCOS patient: obesity, not having pregnancy, high level of estrogen, diagnosed PCOS, and diabetes. Diabetes is not unusual in PCOS patients. Diabetes is also a syndrome. Many things start once you have become diabetic. Then fertility related stuff, increased risk of miscarriage, early pregnancy loss are real issues for PCOS patients. So I'm saying, hey, do the treatment. In 2 to 3 months, you're going to have healthy ovaries. Then you try natural conceiving in the 4th, 5th month, and a high chance that everything will go normal. And if you're going to produce an egg with a normal, healthy ovary, that's much better than a polycystic ovary producing an egg. Now, don't ask me what is the change and all. Okay, so I'm a limited doctor. I'm not a doctor in the first place. I'm an engineer. My job is to solve this problem for you. And systematic attack, that's my approach as an engineer. What is the problem? Deep dive, and then systematically giving procedures to solve the problem. That is my approach. That is what I'm doing. So like I said, don't get me into complex medical issues. Please refer your gynecologist for any of those things. Yes, PCOS related, I'm open to any kind of questioning. And if I don't know it, I will find it out. And last thing, which I can see some people are facing here. So you have irregular period, weight gain, acne, excess hair and hair issues, and skin disorder. This puts a psychic pressure on us. No girl wants hair on her face. When you have irregular periods, there's an uncomfortable feeling, there's pain, and you're thinking it's coming, it's 28 days, it's 35 days, it's suddenly on the 45th day it's coming. Now I have to travel. I don't know, should I travel or what is happening? I want to be at home in those 3-4 days, when I'm down, but I don't know when I'm going to be down. So all this creates a lot of anxiety and depression. Weight gain. I don't like my body. Very wrong thing. I don't like my face because I have too many pimples. Very wrong thing. However you are, you're a beautiful person, you're a great person. This is what you have to tell yourself during the meditation. It doesn't matter. Please be happy with your body, because if you're upset, you're creating distress with your thoughts. And those who have the courage to follow through my training and make their investments in terms of, the costs, and have the guts to go through 60 days, all this will be history for you. All this will be history for you. My promise.
This tip is actually inspired by Tony Robbins. I'm actually reading his book, Awaken the Giant Within, and I'm really liking it so far. And I actually was inspired to include one of the things that he mentions in his book as my third tip because it really helped me. So in his book, Tony asks you to write down a list of 5 things that you're not achieving in your life or things that you're putting off. You write down these 5 things, and then right next to it, you write down the pleasure that you're actually receiving from putting those things off. An example is I always put off going to the gym. And what I wrote down and what I identified as a pleasure point that I received from putting this off is that I actually hate sweating. And so by not going to the gym, I can avoid that feeling of feeling gross. Then right after, Tony asks you to write down the actual cost of you not doing the things that you're putting off. For me, not going to the gym is going to cost me my long-term health. And what it's also going to cost me is happier and productive days. Because what I found is that every time I go to the gym, I end up feeling happier, healthier, and more productive in my work and in my life. By doing this exercise, it allows you to realize how stupid and silly your excuses actually are. For example, why would I compromise my long-term health and happier and healthier productive days for not sweating for 30 minutes 4 times a week? It sounds really dumb. Same reason why it's so dumb and stupid for you to not do the things that you want to do in your life because you're scared of the opinion of 5 people who probably won't matter in 5 years or less. Using this exercise as an example, you need to ask yourself, what is it going to cost me to continue to have this negative way of thinking? Thinking that I'm behind in life and thinking that I'll never be able to achieve the things that I want to achieve. If you continue to have this mindset, I guarantee you're never going to get the results that you're going to want, and you're always going to stay in the same place unless you take action and you start believing that you can.
So this girl is a very successful entrepreneur. Can you live with PCOS or can you take action? What is the feedback of the team? If you can live with PCOS, you say live with PCOS. Otherwise, you say I can take action. I can take action is what I want you to say. I can take action. And your action is to join the Monday program and know the other 3 secrets. Only if you know the, see, if I have to go to Simla from Delhi, I have to make a route plan, no? I have to have a car, so I buy a car or I hire a car, I have to spend some money. Or if I have a car, I have to put petrol in the car. Internet se petrol to nahi milne wala na, free. So I buy petrol, 1 or 2 or 3,000, whatever. And then I have a map, I have a Google map or I have a physical map, and I start going city to city. And in 7-8 hours, you know, if I have to make it very simple, I say Delhi to Ambala, Ambala to Chandigarh, Chandigarh to whatever, you know, and then Simla. So unless you have a goal that you want to go to Simla, so if your goal is freedom of PCOS, the first thing is you have to follow my tools, and those tools are not going to be allopathic or gynecology tools. This is self-learning tool, like doing yoga, which some of you are already doing. I'll tell you 1 or 2 more tools. That's it. Good. So the class literally ends here. I wanted to do some quizzing, but that we'll do on Monday. For those who are fortunate to join the Monday class, the link of that class is like this. And whoever has any open questions now has 2 chances. You can join back tomorrow at 8:44. But then you have to stay through the class, otherwise it's very rude to join and leave. Or if you're paid for your class, then 8:40 we were saying. Tomorrow you can join at 10:44 in the morning, or you can join the class and come at 8:44. So then they have 15 minutes there. We can chit chat and other people can hear it also. So who all are joining the class, you can just type Monday, then I know I should expect you on Monday class. Link I've just shared. If you have any problems, please contact Nitesh from my office. Cool. Thank you. So I'm closing this now.